Hello and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we are going to be discussing the top 5 amazing features of GPT-4. Let's get started.
Number 1. Increased accuracy. GPT-4 has improved accuracy compared to its predecessor, GPT-3. This means that it can generate more coherent and relevant responses to prompts, making it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. Number 2. Enhanced natural language processing. GPT-4 has the ability to process natural language with greater accuracy and sophistication. This means that it can understand and respond to complex language input, making it a valuable resource for language-based tasks like translation, chatbots, and virtual assistants. Number 3. Improved multilingual support. GPT-4 has been designed to work with a wider range of languages than ever before. This means that it can be used in a global context, making it an indispensable tool for businesses and individuals who work across borders. Number 4. Increased speed. GPT-4 is faster and more efficient than its predecessor, GPT-3. This means that it can generate responses to prompts more quickly, making it a powerful tool for time-sensitive applications like customer service and chatbots. Number 5. Seamless integration. GPT-4 has been designed to seamlessly integrate with a range of devices and platforms, making it easy to incorporate into existing workflows and systems.
And that's it for our top 5 amazing features of GPT-4. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Please let us know in the comments what you think of GPT-4 and if you're excited about its potential. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.